Blockchain technology is quickly becoming a part of almost every industry and business out there. It is everywhere, even though you may not see it. Crypto investors can put their money on tokens and win big, just like so many did with Chainlink. Here are my top picks for DeFi Oracle projects you need to have on your list. Let's get it. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, the hardest working channel in all of cryptocurrency. If you're new, hit that subscribe button and join both my Telegram groups to learn more about crypto or connect with me and the Bit Squad. All right, guys, blockchain oracles are the latest craze in the crypto world, with coins from this niche experiencing massive growth, like is the case for Chainlink, an oracle blockchain that gained over 500% in value just in the last year. It's taken the crypto space by storm. Chainlink has even attracted what seems to be a very dedicated and questionable group that appears focused on sabotaging it, with quite a long report that has everyone scratching their heads. I did a video on this subject that you can watch by clicking above.
But BitBoy, I'm too lazy to click or touch the screen and go and watch another video.
I hear you, you lazy bum. Here's a quick summary.
Zeus Capital is a scam who put that report out, and the whole thing is FUD from a Chainlink competitor.
Really nothing in between. Who knows? Maybe even a project on this list. I'm not throwing shade. I don't know. I'm just asking questions.
We're going to have a little Q&A. And at the risk of sounding redundant, please make your answers genuine.
Another question is, what are blockchain oracles? Well, these are special blockchains that allow smart contracts and blockchains to receive the information they need to fulfill their purpose. You see, smart contracts and blockchains are usually like the average BitBoy Crypto viewer when they lose internet access, disconnected from information sources and contacts with the outside world. That means you don't go outside your house. Opening the door of their room and going outside is just not an option. This is where oracles come into the picture and provides the blockchain or smart contract with the off-chain data required to operate. This data may not be necessary for all networks to function, but smart contracts that need off-chain data given to them do need that. This is how they fulfill the contracts. Someone or something has to input the data to the chain, but blockchain's confusing and every business doesn't run on it
Yet.
Now, think about a football game. Internally, a blockchain can't check a football score. It needs to be connected to a data feed that can update it in real time. This is how oracles work. They're the link between on-chain and off-chain data. Once the information is supplied by the oracle, smart contract will be able to fulfill its purpose and send the money to the other guy if this is a gambling app. Now, oracles open an incredible amount of new options to existing blockchains by enabling them to interact with the digital world and allowing developers to adopt blockchain technology and apply them to their existing products. Want to create a gambling platform backed by blockchain? Boom, oracles. Want to create smart contracts based on the latest data of stocks in Wall Street? Boom, oracles. Want to transfer all your crypto to me based on the condition it rains tomorrow? Boom, oracles. Also, let me do a rain dance. Now, it isn't a surprise that oracles are so popular for enterprises around the world who want to transition to blockchain and don't want to create their own networks. Now, just like that oracle you've seen in 300 or read about in Greek mythology, blockchain oracles do not have the information themselves, but act only as a bridge between the gods, and in this case, data sources, and the mortals, blockchain or smart contracts, by invoking these deity powers to tell them the way they need to go. Most oracles rely on a token to work as an incentive for data sources and uses the payment currency for blockchains that use them. But before we get started on the list of my top DeFi oracle projects, I want to point out Dia or Dia is not on this list. I can't keep up with what I'm calling it these days. I just included it on a video on Tuesday and have a big video coming out on them soon, so you definitely want to check that out, but I don't want to give you guys fatigue on it. But just know Dia is going to be a huge project to look out for this year. And another one is Uma. It's in the 2200s on CMC right now, but has already 5x, so let's get to the list. First, I have Ban Protocol. It's a cross-chain data oracle platform that aggregates and connects real-world data and APIs to smart contracts that aims to enhance smart contract functionalities by eliminating single points of failure in data recollection. Wow, that was really a mouthful. The protocol focuses especially on DeFi, which, if you've been under a rock lately, you might not know, it's exploding, and it has been over the past few months. But DeFi isn't the only application. Ban Protocol is pretty flexible and includes data including real-world events, sports, weather, random numbers, and more. Developers can use WebAssembly to connect their smart contracts with traditional web APIs in a really simple and convenient way, all with the convenience that comes with multiple blockchain support. Network participants are required to have banned protocol's native token banned, working as validators or delegators. Validators actively participate in the network by proposing and committing new blocks, as well as having tokens delegated to them in order to achieve this. Next is Nest Protocol. It's a distributed price oracle network that aims to solve the problems of price on-chain by using a decentralized incentive scheme. Nest believes that price data is the most important aspect when it comes to DeFi, and rightfully so. And the current systems are risky due to centralization and low volume of data sources. The information Nest provides blockchains with is intended to be accurate, have high price sensitivity, be attack resistant, provide direct verification, and have a distributed quotation system. How good is data if it's lacking in quality after all? That's why you love my channel. The network is formed by makers, who can be miners or verifiers, and price callers, which is basically the same as in other oracles. Miners receive rewards in the form of Nest, the native ERC20 token of the network, for providing quotations and paying commissions. On the other hand, verifiers are able to trade a quoted asset at the quoted price to earn revenue. Users can participate in the network using a web browser and or using the Nest Protocol app, as well as running a dedicated node using an app that allows users to participate in the governance of the network. Next up, we have DOS Network. DOS is a decentralized oracle service network aiming to boost blockchain usability with real-world data and computation power by providing blockchains with access to external data and reducing the cost of smart contracts computations. Use cases for the protocol include automatic decentralized insurance payouts, stablecoins, and crypto derivatives, also crypto lending platforms, cross-chain dexes, casinos, and games, along with computation marketplaces. DOS is a token that enables the entire network and is a requirement for node operators as a collateral to prevent malicious operators, as well as paying genuine operators for running their nodes. The token is also the payment currency for data requesters to pay oracles when invoking them. The token grants governance over the network by voting. Next up, a project we've covered before, Teller. Teller is a decentralized oracle specifically for DeFi, and it was created to provide an easy-to-implement solution that allows high-value data to be integrated into smart contracts into a simple, decentralized, and secure manner. Once a user requests data, Teller has its miners compete to submit the requested price data to Teller's on-chain price feed, which can then be accessed by the application on Ethereum. Teller is powered by the Tributes token, or TRB, which is used to incentivize miners by rewarding the first 5 who provide the requested data, as well as to allow dApps to request data themselves. The token is also used to initiate any dispute during the voting on data's validity. The Teller Oracle has already been developed and is functioning on the Ethereum Rinkeby testnet. Its code is open source and available on GitHub. Next, one that a lot of people are excited about, Zap, is a decentralized bonding curve curation market aiming to provide access to data providers and other services by using algorithmic token generation, which is just a fancy way of saying it aims to provide relevant information to requesters by creating a peer-to-peer ecosystem where data providers and requesters can work together. In addition to the Oracle service, the network also aims to provide a place for IoT devices to monetize the data they compile. The network achieves this by incentivizing the creation and curation of oracles to create a secure source-agnostic network, fueling the development of the next generation of embedded dApps. If this sounds like a mouthful, it is, but the summary is easy.
Zap wants anyone interested in providing reliable information to be able to do so, giving them the means to earn crypto in the process and contributing to the future of dApps. It's an up-and-comer, high potential.
But now it's your turn. What do you think about these projects? Do you think these oracles could be the next big thing after decentralized finance? Which projects are you betting on? Let me know by dropping a comment down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to smash the like button and hit subscribe to become a member of the Bit Squad. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. BitBoy out.